Fatty are good friends. They always hang out together.
They always hang out together.
Yeah.
That's why Linda should get him and Fatty.
There you go.
The boy and the girl?
Yeah.
That's Linda's puppy in front there. That's Fatty. And there's the little boy.
Look at him fighting.
I just got that on tape where she like took off running and fell over. Biting his leg. They look drunk.
What's mommy feeding you?
She's like barking.
Hey, buddy.
He's like, what's going on?
This is Morning's puppy right here.
Oh, they're picking on the boy.
Maybe